So, like I said, I resized the gear, Spaceman. So this was the old gear. There's the new gear. As you can see, it fits perfectly. I haven't got any pins in the back plate yet, but I just placed it in there and all the gears are meshed, which is sweet. I also made a whole bunch of faux magnets. I forgot who. I'm not sure if that was you who gave me the idea, or if it was someone else. Yeah, I think it was Mr. G Law that handed the idea out. So, G, here they are, and they fit perfect. I think they're 5 millimeters thick, and I forget how big they are. But yeah, so I also got in some, where are they? I got in some little tiny bearings that I'm going to try to use when I put this thing together. I'm still considering printing out the newer rings that have the screw holes already in them, because I mean, I can drill and screw this, but PLA doesn't drill and screw very friendly. It usually ends up being a mess unless you do it really slow, but it does fit. I just got to get it together now. I got to find time to get it together. I also finished this beast. I got the wires soldered in there. I was doing some testing, so I jumped one of the coils over to make it a 2-coil magnet. These are the two thinner, I think. No, I think these two are 22 and 24, and I think this is a 28. I haven't had a chance to run it yet, though. Can't find time to do anything. Anyway, Spaceman, you gotta tell me what your first name is, bro. I think it's crazy me calling you Spaceman. But yeah, just resizing the diameter, not the overall. So in Cura, you can do that. You can either have it so that when you resize it, it resizes everything, or you can do it either via the Z, X, or Y coordinates. And so I just resized the, I think it was just the diameter. I forget which one it was, and I resized it by 3 millimeters, which seemed to do the trick. As you can see, it fits beautifully. I'm going to try desperately tomorrow to start putting this thing together so it looks more like that. But yeah, these were a great idea, G. I'm going to probably do every third one or yeah, I still got some magnets. I just ordered some magnets of different sizes because I want to see, and hopefully they'll be in this week, and I'll choose the one that fits good, and then I will order the rest. I'm probably gonna put like maybe 5, 10, 15, maybe 15 magnets in it, maybe 20 magnets. I'm not sure. 25 magnets. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, really quick vid. Ciao.